Today, I'm excited to share some of the groundbreaking ways Juriba is leveraging AI to lead the Windows application packaging market. I will show some new ways that Juriba is leveraging AI to help our customers, now and in the near future. And I will demonstrate AI automating the interactive installation of software, which is a game changer when it comes to automating application management. Before I dive into what we're doing, let me quickly set the stage for some context. Juriba leverages your existing investments in enterprise tools, connect or import data from these solutions. Our digital platform conductor solution can normalize and enrich application and device data from these systems to drive change management projects and day-to-day operations. Next, we have Juriba App Owner, which helps you manage application owner assignments and gain visibility and governance over this important and valuable program. And finally, our App Readiness solution automates packaging, testing, and publishing of third-party updates to keep your portfolio current, on its own or informed by insights gained from Juriba DPC or Juriba App Owner. Successfully automated packages can then be automatically published to Microsoft Endpoint Manager or Intune for deployment using your standard enterprise processes. We're harnessing the latest in generative AI to supercharge a growing number of these capabilities. We recently launched a revolutionary feature that suggests command line details for virtually any third-party application. This capability pulls from our extensive knowledge base, combining expert research, online resources, and opt-in customer usage data. We also provide a programmatic suggestion and have introduced our first AI capability to help expose further silent command line possibilities. This capability is a huge time saver, enabling support for nearly any Windows software that needs to be deployed or updated. Looking just a little ahead, our App Owner solution will be coming in early 2025, in beta today, and will leverage generative AI to inform application owners about new releases and their contents. This will save application owners time and will be invaluable in their effort to contribute to maintaining an up-to-date software portfolio. When command line details are insufficient, or alternative formats such as MSIX are desired, Juriba App Readiness provides a powerful repackaging capability. It manages groups of VMs and spins them up on demand for repackaging and smoke testing operations. Of course, we can repackage an installation driven by silent command line, but here's a peek at a capability we'll soon offer that allows automated repackaging without a dependency on silent command lines. In this demo, you can see that we've instructed Juriba AI to install FileZilla. The subtitles you see convey the logic of how it is working through the installation. Given the instructions for performing an installation, it takes a series of screenshots to understand where it is in the process and what next actions are appropriate. With this, it's easy to see how automated UAT or functional testing might be taken to a new level, which is where Juriba AI will focus next. Stay tuned for further updates.